What is going on, everyone? Today we are going to be checking out the Boca Grande model here at Casilla at Skye Ranch. Now I'm super excited to show you what this model home looks like here in Skye Ranch. Now the builder is once again Taylor Morrison, as you have seen in our past videos. And what I really love about the Skye Ranch neighborhood is ultimately the lifestyle that you're gonna live here, right? It's a multi-generational community, so it's perfect for every single person of every age and fits every single person's lifestyle. And ultimately there's going to be over 1,000 homes within this development, but I just want to show you what this Boca Grande model looks like. But before we jump into this, if you are looking to move to the Sarasota area, that is our specialty. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, we are ultimately here to help you make the move as smooth as possible. So with that being said, let's go around and show you what the Boca Grande model looks like. This is one of the many two-story homes that Skye Ranch offers, and now this specific floor plan is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom with a 2-car garage. The total number of square feet is 2,197 square feet. There's going to be over 1,200 homes in Casilla and the Esplanade series total. There's over 1,000 acres in Skye Ranch, including 100 acres of lakes and 387 acres of preserves with over 25 miles of walking trails. This community plans on having multiple parks within this one single community. In the first park, you are going to be able to find a fitness facility, a resort-style pool, a catering kitchen, activity rooms, a splash pad, as well as a pet park, sports field, tennis courts, basketball courts, and volleyball courts. In the upcoming planned future parks, they also plan on having a resort-style pool, a pet park with a tot/adventure lot with pickleball, bocce ball, and also fire pits throughout the community. Now that you know a little bit more about this community, sit back and enjoy the rest of this video with the Boca Grande floor plan. So what were you guys' thoughts of this home tour, right? I absolutely loved the owner's suite, right? So when we walked in, we immediately saw like the lounge space, and then we could walk further in, and then we saw the separated bedroom, and then we saw the attached bathroom, and then we had that huge walk-in closet. To me, that was the highlight of this whole entire floor plan, and I want to know what your guys' thoughts were of this floor plan. Comment below what you guys think. But if you guys are curious about Sarasota or curious about this Casilla at Skye Ranch, please feel free to reach out anytime that you want. I'm more than happy to answer any of those questions for you. And whether you're ready to move in 9 days or 90 days, we are ultimately here to help you. That is our specialty, is helping out-of-state clients just like yourself make the move as smooth as possible. So if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to reach out. My number is up here as well. But until next time, I hope to see you guys all on my next video.